Hello students, welcome to this video. Today we shall start a new chapter called linear equations in one variable. In class 6 and 7 you had studied this chapter. Here in this class you shall face some advanced word problems and some simplification problems. So without wasting time, let's start. First of all, let me tell you what linear equation is. Before that, we must know what is a statement which states that the two algebraic expressions are equal is called an equation. So for example, 2x minus 3y equal to 7, 5x squared minus 6x plus 3 equal to 0, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, 4x minus 3 is equal to 3x plus 2. So all these are examples of equations. Now let us talk about the linear equation. A linear equation is the equation involving only one variable or unknown in the first order, that is with highest power equal to 1, is called a linear equation. So here among these four equations, which is a linear equation? So let us find. So first of all, the first one, here are two variables x and y, and here this is not a linear equation because the power is 2, and now this is more than one variable. If I come to this equation, so this is the equation with a single variable x and the power is 1. So this is the linear equation with one variable. Now let's go for some problems where we shall find the value of this unknown variable, that is x. So this problem says that 3x minus 4 is equal to 2 into 4 minus x. So we have to find the value of x now. So what we have done here, we have just opened the bracket in the right hand side, and keep it in mind that you have to put imply sign in front of every line. So in this line, what we have done, we have just transferred this minus 2x from the right hand side to the left hand side, and for that this negative sign has become positive, and similarly this minus 4 what was in the left hand side has been transferred to the right hand side and it has become a plus 4. So obviously 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x, and in the right hand side 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Now think carefully, because we have to find the value of x, and since 5 is multiplied with x, so we have to remove this 5. For that, this 5 will go to the right hand side, and because it is multiplied with x, so it will go to the right hand side and it will divide this 12. So therefore the answer is x is equal to 2 whole 2 by 5. The next problem is x plus 2 by 9 is equal to x plus 4 by 11. So here we shall go for the cross multiplication process. See, this 9 is in the denominator, so it will go to the right hand side and it will be multiplied with x plus 4, and similarly this 11 is the denominator, so it will go to the left hand side and it will be multiplied with x plus 2. So after that these brackets will be opened, and to remove that this 11 will be multiplied with each term in the bracket, and similarly this 9 will be multiplied with each term in the bracket. As our aim was to find the value of x, so we shall keep x to the left hand side, and for that we have transferred this 9x to the left hand side, and because it was positive, so it has been negative, and similarly this 22 has been transferred to the right hand side with a negative sign. So after the calculation we have got 2x equal to 14. So this gives us x equal to 14 by 2. So therefore x equal to 7 is the answer. So let's go for this problem. This problem is little bit different from the previous problems by the look. Here it is saying that 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20 is equal to x by 4 plus 32. What is our aim? Our aim is to keep the variable in the left side. So for that, let us open the bracket first. So it has become minus x by 4, and it is minus 20 and minus 1 by 4. So it is positive 20 by 4. Because 20 by 4 is 5, so we have written 5 over here. Now we shall transfer this x by 4 to the left side and this 5 to the right side. Now since x by 4 is positive, so it has come over here with a negative sign, and this 5 is positive and it has gone to the right side with a negative sign. Now since all the denominators are same, and that is 4, so we have written 4 in the denominator and the numerators have been written over here in a row with their sign, and 32 minus 5 is 27. Because minus x and minus x is minus 2x, we have written 3x minus 2x. So we can write x by 4 equal to 27. Because 4 is in the denominator and it is dividing x, so it will go to the right hand side and it will be multiplied with 27. So therefore the answer is x equal to 108. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching this video.